What's up YouTube? It's Cralisa Victoria. I'm back with another video. This video is just going to be comprised of me cleaning up, getting things done around the house. I did go buy me a new winter mat, so that is phenomenal. I got it at the bargain store, so I will make sure that by the end of me talking at this moment that I will remember to try to insert the clip. If I don't, I'll try to insert it at some point in this video. So today is just going to be, it's Thursday. Tomorrow I have a few meetings, and today basically I'm just going to be spending time cleaning up, looking at which household supplies I need, writing out a list between groceries and household items that I need. I really want to have this list written out once I've completely cleaned every room in the house. Today, I'm not certain if I'm going to clean every ounce of the house, but I am aiming to at least clean the kitchen and the bathroom. I've been cooking a lot, and I've noticed that I have an influx of dishes. And as far as the bathroom, that's just like a weekly clean. I try to clean my bathroom every week. I clean it throughout the week. I'd also like to try to maintain, keep it up, but yeah. Oh, and I did get a new shower liner, so let's hope that this shower liner actually works, because the last one went horizontal when we needed it to go vertical. So I'm totally hoping that I don't have to return that one, get my money back, because I'm sick of returning liners, because they're not, the measurements are not, well, the measurements are like almost the same. It's just I'm not seeing specifically on the shower curtain paper if it's saying horizontal or vertical. So, obviously I'm looking to see where the hooks are. Are they at the top or are they on the side? But the way that they fold the liners up and package them, sometimes it makes it a little bit more difficult to tell. So, obviously you open it and it's not what you want, you return it. But I'm going to go ahead and get up. I've already been up. I just decided to lay back down right now and also turned on the camera. But I was up already. I've already used the bathroom. I've washed my face. I've brushed my teeth. The only thing I'm going to do now is throw on some cleaning clothes, like, so that I can get my cleaning started. But come Monday, I'm aiming for my entire house to be clean. You guys know I had a countdown, and I said the 13th was going to be that day that I want the whole house to be cleaned. Well, I still have some days. Still have the weekend. I'm just tired of it not being up to par. But I have been doing a little bit here and there. Like, I can only do so much. So, yeah. If you guys want to see what my day is going to be looking like as far as cleaning with me, then make sure you guys stay tuned. What's up YouTube? It's Cralisa Victoria back with another video. So I am going to go ahead and start cleaning. So if you're new to my channel, thanks for tuning in. I've already done like an intro for being in the bed, but I'm going to start cleaning. Yeah, just what I thought. That's out. This is crazy because I had this primer for so long and it's finally out. Oh no. Oh no, it's not. It's done squirting, but it's not done. So we're going to keep this. So what's up, guys? I'm gonna move on over to the shower. I already have this up. This is my first time unveiling the heavyweight shower liner. It's anti-mildew 70 by 72. Now I'm gonna rip this carefully just because I told you all we don't know if this is the right size. And we're finding out right now. So I'm gonna try to rip at the bottom so that it can be more uniform of a rip. So there we go. If we have to wrap it back up, it looks like that. So, jeez Louise, please let this be the right size. I still don't know because it's folded. I think it might be. Ladies and gentlemen, it might be the right size. Yay! It is a freaking score. Yes, it's a score. So what I'm going to actually do, I just got some more clips on here. I have more clips, but for right now, I only have found these two. The other ones are like out there. Off camera, I'm going to be cleaning my toilet, sweeping, mopping, and then I'm done with the bathroom. I'm also going to probably try to touch my baseboards too, just to get those clean. I haven't done baseboards in a while. So I'm going to get down on the ground and I'm going to scrub my baseboards clean. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. I still have to finish the shower curtain, but I don't know. You guys seem to like my clean with me videos, so I hope you guys thoroughly enjoyed this. And I will see all of you beautiful people in the next video.
It's only 11 something.